We've been talking about fireworks and how fireworks work and electrons and atoms and how all that's related, so I thought it appropriate to take one of the most popular modern pop hits ever. Yeah. It's one of the most popular songs of all time, so I hope every one of you has heard this before, and hopefully this little twist on the lyrics will help prepare you for the test that we're about to take. Okay. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Have you ever seen light as energy, traveling like a wave faster than you can believe? Electrons never free to roam as they please, filling quantum levels with discrete energy. Atomic orbitals, unpredictable. Two electrons spinning oppositely. Where are they at? Absorbing energy. In quantum leaping, electrons moving up to higher levels, all in a flash. The light on Earth and Mars. The light we see in our galaxy. There's chemistry and fireworks, and energy and light, and quirks. Electrons jumping up and down, releasing light all around. There's chemistry and fireworks, and energy and light, and quirks. Electrons jumping up and down, releasing light all around.
We see you.
Every element, there is a spectrum composed of frequencies specific to the structure it has. Within each element, a different nucleus dictating quantum energy each orbital has. Look at hydrogen with one electron, releasing light in four discrete energy bands. All the colors of the rainbow are a tiny portion of the spectrum we have. The light on Earth and Mars, the light we see in our galaxy. There's chemistry and fireworks, energy and light, it works. Electrons jumping up and down, releasing light all around. There's chemistry and fireworks, energy and light. It works, and energy up and down, releasing light all around. The sun is going boom, 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 reflecting light off the moon, 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 and light from distant stars, traveling so far. There's chemistry and fireworks, energy and light, and quirks. Electrons jumping up and down.